Everyone, Misilla here with my little helper. So over the weekend we harvested a lot of Honeycrisp apples from our auntie and uncle's house. So today we're going to show you a simple and delicious apple bread recipe, and I think that you'll like it. So I hope that you give it a try and let me know if you do. So let's get to baking, and thanks for joining us today. Here are the Honeycrisp apples that we harvested. We harvested about just under 3 5-gallon buckets full. So at least 50-60 pounds. This box is very heavy. We have some in the refrigerator as well. Most of these are the imperfect ones. Some have scabs and some holes on them. So these will be used for cooking, baking. Still very good though. You can still eat this as is and just cut off the bad parts. So my aunt and uncle does not use any pesticides or chemicals, so therefore they don't always get perfect apples, but we did get a lot of really nice looking ones. These are so delicious, so crispy and juicy. So we're going to be baking some apple bread today. So first we're going to combine our dry ingredients. I have 6 cups of flour in this bowl. We're going to put 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, two teaspoons of salt, and 3 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Yeah, just mix that together, or you can use a whisk. That's how I usually do it. And set that aside. In a separate bowl, you're going to combine 2 cups of vegetable oil, which I already have in this bowl here, with 2.5 cups of granulated sugar. You can use 3 cups if you're using tart apples. Honeycrisp apples are very sweet as is already. Put that together. We're going to add 6 eggs. Make sure you beat them first. And whisk that together. We're going to go ahead and add our diced apples. And I've got 6 cups of diced apples here. You can use up to between 7 to 8 apples depending on the size. Some of these were small. You can take your spatula or wooden spoon, oops, and just combine that together. Now we're going to add our flour mixture. You can do half at a time here, because I am making a big batch. So once you have all your ingredients combined, you can just scoop it out and put them in your prepared pans. I just sprayed it with vegetable oil. Just make sure you place equal amounts on each pan so they bake evenly. These are ready to go in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes or until the top is golden brown. We made 11 loaves of bread today. The first batch I made 5 because I put more batter in each pan. So second batch I made 6. You can tell they're a little shorter than the first batch. Taller loaves of bread there. So I hope that you guys give this a try. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.
This is gonna be so much good.
Yes, it will.
Yes, it will.